The voice there you hear is Red 1 squadron leader David Montenegro. He leads them into a left-hand turn. He's now called them into 9 arrow. You'll see the jets collapse to around 6 feet away from each other in this left-hand turn, and they form the shape of one big red arrow using those 9 aircraft. Red 1 Monty is in his first year leading the team. He is a former Hawk instructor and Tornado F3 air defence pilot. He first joined the Red Arrows back in 2009, flying until 2011. And in fact finishing leading the synchro pair. In from the left now, the smoke's about to come on in 9 arrow.
Really? Out. Left in it. Out. Shift on.
All 9 jets going upside down together at 400 miles an hour, apexing at 2,500 feet. The closest parts of those jets are only 6 feet away from each other. That chevron shape, clearly Red 1 at the front and the middle. On the left-hand side are the odd-numbered pilots, and our even-numbered pilots fly on the right. In their 3 years with the team, the pilots generally start at the front near the leader, and as their proficiency in formation aerobatics improves, they move further back. On the leader's left wing is the next of our new pilots. He's Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Emmett Cox. Cox is actually from New Zealand, but he moved to the UK to join the Royal Air Force in 2002 and became a Tornado GR4 pilot and Tucano flying instructor. Front left now you see the smoke is on as we form another shape. You've seen some fabulous tributes today, ladies and gentlemen, of the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. Now it's our turn to pay tribute. We've introduced... Well, we've heard how it was the few who secured the skies. In fact, it wasn't it. Without the support of the many, the few would not have had the success they did. Whether they were plotters, observers, administrators, engineers, armourers, even the Air Transport Auxiliary, everybody wants to complete its mission, and today it is no different. We operate on the lowermost aircraft, as you look at it, is flown by Red 5. He's the last of our new pilots. He's Flight Lieutenant Tom Bolt. Tom started his career as an instructor. The smoke comes on, each of the pilots there in the whirlwind fly an aileron roll manoeuvre, essentially just a full left-hand control column in. So the 5 aircraft of Enid fan out at the top. Keep your eyes on Jippo. Before they split, cameras ready for the vortex. Now the pilot's in line astern in that straight line at the back. Using a lot of their rudder to swing the jets out like a pendulum to maintain that line astern as they come out to meters or 300 feet wide from wingtip to wingtip. You need to look left and right again now for the synchro pair. This time Red 6 is the Twister. Getting very dizzy with his red smoke. Changing blue now is Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Stu Campbell. Stu's a second year pilot. You can hear the pain in his corkscrew. Well, let's give the synchro pair a big wave as they fly past upside down. Big wave, everybody. Watching the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the Red Arrows.